I don't know how long I've been waiting. The street is noisy, full of rushing feet and rolling tires, but I keep my eyes fixed on the last place I saw him, my owner, my person. He walked away after making me sit near the bench. I was good. I stayed. He always comes back, but it's been too long now. The sun has moved. People have passed. Some look at me, some don't. A child pointed at me, said something to her mother. She shook her head and walked faster. I stand up, stretching my legs. The leash is still on me, dragging on the sidewalk. He must have forgotten something. Maybe he got lost. Maybe if I wait just a little longer. My stomach growls. The scent of food drifts from a cart nearby, hot and rich, making my mouth water. But I stay put. He'll be back. More time passes. The shadows grow longer. I start to feel it, something I don't have a word for. An ache that's not hunger, a different kind of emptiness. A kind of pain that spreads, from my chest to my legs to my paws. A heaviness that makes me sink down, pressing my belly to the pavement. Trying to become small, trying to disappear. A man sits on the same bench where I last saw him. He doesn't even notice me. My tail gives a weak wag, just in case, but he only looks at his phone. I press my nose to the spot where my owner sat. It smells like him. Faint now. Fading. I whimper, a soft sound, barely a breath. I don't mean to. It just comes out, like a secret breaking loose. I walk. First, just a few steps, then more. Maybe I'll find him around the corner. Maybe he just got turned around. The leash tangles under my paws, so I chew at it until it snaps. I pass people, lights, smells. A man yells at me when I get too close to his cart. A woman almost steps on my tail. I dodge, keep moving. My paws hurt, but I don't stop. I sniff the air for him, but the city is too big, too full of scents I don't know. By night, I am curled up under a metal stairwell, my body tight against the cold. I close my eyes, but I don't sleep. I just wait. Somewhere a siren wails. A dog howls back. I don't. My throat feels tight, like something is stuck in it, something too big to swallow. I don't understand. I was good. I was always good. Hunger wakes me. It's sharp now, clawing at my belly. I move slowly, my legs stiff, my paws sore. I think about the food cart from yesterday, but it's far now. I don't know how far I've walked. My body is heavy. My eyes burn. The world feels slower. I wander the streets. A woman drops a piece of bread. I dart forward, tail low, ears back, trying to make myself small. She sees me. Our eyes meet. My tail gives the smallest wag. My body says, "Please." She steps over the bread and walks away. I wait until she's gone. Then I sniff it. My mouth is dry. I take it in my teeth. It tastes like the bench. It tastes like the pavement, like nothing. But I eat it. The days blend together. I sleep in doorways, under cars, anywhere that keeps the wind off my fur. My ribs press against my skin. I don't chase birds anymore. My tail doesn't wag. One night the rain comes. It soaks through my fur, making me shiver. I curl up tight, nose to tail, trying to remember warmth. My owner used to let me sleep on the couch. He used to scratch behind my ears. I used to think his voice was the best sound in the world. I dream of him that night. Of his hands. Of the way he laughed when I brought him my leash. When I wake up, my face is wet. But it's not the rain. I don't know how long I've been waiting. I don't know if I'm waiting anymore. The next morning, I don't stand up right away. My body is stiff. I feel hollow inside, as if I'm becoming less of myself each day. A car honks. People rush past. The world moves, but I stay still. I watch the feet of strangers. None of them slow down. Then a voice. Software. A scent. Warm like sunlight. Like something safe. Hey, buddy. I lift my head, blinking against the light. A hand reaches toward me, stopping just short. Waiting. I smell kindness. I smell home, though it's not the one I lost. A woman crouches beside me. Her face is different from my owner's. But her eyes see me. I don't move. I don't trust Hope anymore. She pulls something from her pocket. Food. Real food. She places it on the ground and doesn't push. Just waits. Like I used to wait. I inch forward, barely breathing, barely believing. The food is warm. I taste it. And for the first time in forever, I feel something close to full. Her hand moves slow. She touches my fur. I flinch, but she doesn't stop. She just waits. It's been so long since someone waited for me. She pulls out a leash. I stare at it. My heart pounds. I think about running. But she just smiles, soft and patient, and holds it open. I was good. I was always good. Maybe this time someone will stay.